video. So the first thing first, you know what's in here? And guess what it is? One, two, three. So ready? Oh, just fall. Here it goes. Is this unboxing? This is the unboxing video. So, I want to do this. And look at the back. There's a wrench. Down is the wrench.
Go!
Golden. That's the one. And you see this circle thing? That's the wear. This is the gold. So, I will, and look at this. It's a baby velociraptor. And the T-Rex Spinosaurus, Scumpy. Velociraptor, T-Rex Spinosaurus. All of that. Jurassic Park. First thing first, review. Unlock. Battle. Don't forget this rare thing. Open it. A few hours later. So there's a 3-pack. See, one, there's two. Wait, there's actually 4-pack. 1, 2, 3, and one is at the back. Under here, like under there. You see? You can't see. It's just covered. I'm just kidding. It's like 3-pack. See? 1, 2, 3. See that egg right there? On top of the Jurassic thing? And look at it says, and look at the color. And look, I have a new shirt. I went to Universal. And finally, we will open this. Abracadabra. Down. I see you to the next video and open the unboxing video. Bye.